everyone. Today, 22nd December, we celebrate Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday as National Mathematics Day. He contributed a lot to the field of mathematics. Now, I am pretty sure you all are very curious to know more about Mathematics Day. For this, I would like to invite Angel Teresa Joseph to share a few words about it.
National Mathematics Day. December 22nd, the birth anniversary of India's famed mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan is celebrated as National Mathematics Day.
The prestigious Royal Society, of which Ramanujan became a fellow in 1918, tweeted on Sunday. Srinivasa Ramanujan F.R.S., the Indian mathematician, was born on this day in 1887. Though he passed away at the age of 32, his talent and research left an indelible mark on mathematics. Ramanujan was born in 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, in an Iyengar Brahmin family. At the age of 12, he had excelled at trigonometry and developed many theorems by himself. Though he was eligible for a number of scholarships, but was unable to achieve them since he did not do well in other subjects. Living in dire poverty, Ramanujan then pursued independent research in mathematics. Ramanujan was soon noticed in Chennai's mathematics circle. Ramanujan then began sending his work to British mathematicians. In 1917, Ramanujan was selected to be a member of the London Mathematical Society. In 1918, he also became a Fellow of the Royal Society, becoming one of the youngest to achieve the feat. Ramanujan's health continued to deteriorate and he died in 1920 at the age of 32. Ramanujan was recognized for his mastery of continued fractions and had worked out the Riemann series and the functional equations of the zeta function. After his death, Ramanujan left behind 3 notebooks and some pages containing unpublished results on which mathematicians continued to work on for many years. The Dev Patel Starer, The Man Who Knew Infinity, was a biopic on the mathematician. In 2012, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh declared December 22nd as National Mathematics Day.
As we celebrate Mathematics Day here today, let Ramanujan be an inspiration and role model for us and for the future generations as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel. That was really informative. Now, what is the importance of mathematics? Ashley Joshi and Janet Maria, would you like to share a few words about that?
Have you ever wondered a world without mathematics in our daily life? Impossible. Yes, mathematics is a powerful tool for global understanding and communication that prevent chaos. Mathematics helps us to understand the world and provide an effective way of building mental discipline.
Math encourages logical reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, abstract or spatial thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Mathematics is the pillar of organized life for the present day. Without numbers and mathematical evidence, we cannot resolve many issues in our daily lives.
Mathematics plays a vital role in all aspects of life, whether in everyday matters such as time tracking or jobs such as accounting, finance, banking, engineering, and software. These functions require a strong mathematical background. So also, scientific experiments by scientists too need mathematical techniques.
Thus, mathematics has become the companion of man and his helper since the beginning of human existence on earth. The importance of mathematics is getting more crucial with every passing year. Mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minimize hate, but it gives us every reason to hope that every problem has a solution. Children don't hate math. What they hate is being confused, intimidated, and embarrassed by math. With understanding comes passion, and with passion comes growth, and treasure is unlocked. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashley and Janet. Now, we all love cartoon presentations, don't we? How about a cartoon presentation to show the story of Ramanujan number? Explanation done by Alia P. Babu and Sayona Shaju, and the cartoonists are Ayana and Avina Vijay.
Hey, what's this? Oh, numbers. Let me see. 1, 7, 2, 9. Hey, 1729. I know there is something special about this number. Do you know? This is the Hardy Ramanujan number. Well, does it ring a bell? Oh yes, it is an interesting number and there is an equally interesting story behind it. Would you love to hear it then? So let me begin.
Godfrey Hardy was a professor of mathematics at Cambridge University. One day he went to visit a friend, the brilliant young Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was ill. Both men were mathematicians and liked to think about numbers. When Ramanujan heard that Hardy had come in a taxi, he asked him what the number of taxi was. Hardy said that it was just a boring number, 1729. Ramanujan replied that 1729 was not a boring number at all. It was a very interesting one. He explained that it was the smallest number that could be expressed by the sum of two cubes in two different ways. This story is very famous among mathematicians. 1729 is sometimes called the Hardy Ramanujan number. Now, you all can know more about this number.
Hardy Ramanujan number 1729 is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two positive cubes in two distinct ways, which is 1729 equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube and 1729 equal to 9 cube plus 10 cube. The smallest number that can be expressed as a sum of two positive cube number in n distinct way is named by mathematicians as taxicab numbers. It has nothing to do with taxes, but the name comes from a well-known conversation that took place between two famous mathematicians, Godfrey Hardy and Srinivasa Ramanujan, which we heard in cartoon presentation of the story about Godfrey Hardy's taxi and Hardy Ramanujan number. 1729 is a taxicab number. Since the famous conversation between Hardy and Ramanujan, mathematicians have tried to find other interesting numbers that are smallest number that can be expressed by the sum of two cubes in 3, 4, 5 different ways. These numbers are very big and have been found by computers. So far, the following 6 taxicab numbers are known. Now, let's take a look at the 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th taxicab numbers. They are huge numbers. But these taxicab numbers too can be similarly be expressed in 3, 4, 5 and 6 ways respectively. Hey friends! I would like to share with you an astonishing fact. There are many numbers which have astounding peculiarities. It is only a matter of keen observation. And so, I invite you to keep your eyes open. Let this celebration of the Mathematics Day open up the windows of your mind into that fascinating world of mathematics.
That was really amazing. Next, we have a fun riddle game from LP students Alona and Alia.
Hi Alia. Hi Alana. What are you doing? I am playing with my phone, but it's too boring. Oh no. Yes, there is an idea. Come on, let's play with some maths riddles. It is funny and interesting game. Okay, I am ready. Question number 1. How
many nines are there between 1 and 100? Okay. Is it 20? Exactly. Starting with 9 and reaching at 99, and you will get 29s. Can I ask next question? Yes. Question number 2. What number do you get when you multiply all the numbers of telephone numbers back? This is little bit tricky question. Can I make a guess? Yes. The answer is 100. Wrong answer. Correct answer is 0. Any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Remember, 0 is included in telephone numbers pad. There are 6 small boxes in a large box. There are again 6 small boxes in each of the small boxes. How many boxes are there in total? 6 small boxes into 6 small boxes plus 6 small boxes plus a large box. It give you 43 boxes. Yes, correct. How many corners are left when you cut off a corner of a rectangle? It's 3. Wrong answer. It is 5. Okay, I will look for it. I really like this game. Yes, it's funny and interesting game. I'm leaving. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, Ali and Aruna. Next, we have an interesting maths trick from UP student Anlia Sijo.
Mathematics is the art of giving the same name to the different things. Hi friends, do you know the speciality of today? Yes, today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. Every year, our country celebrates National Mathematics Day on 22nd December to commemorate the birth anniversary of the great mathematician C.E.H.S.S. Ramanujan. So, in this occasion, I am standing before you to explain a easiest method to calculate the square root of any number in very less time. For learning this trick, you must have to learn the numbers and their squares from 1 to 9 basically and the last digits of their squares. So, let's move on to the trick. I have prepared a table like this. The numbers and their squares and the last digit. Here 16. 16 is the square of 4. In 16, 6 is the last digit. I have written here 6. In 49, 49 is the square of 7. In 49, 9 is the last digit. I have written here 9. So let's take a number as example. 529. 9 is the last digit and the number in the ones place. So, here, now look at the list of last digits. 9 is coming 2 times. 3 and 7 are the numbers. So, write 3 or 7. We don't know the correct number. That's why we are writing 3 or 7. Then cut the number near to 9. Then the remaining number is 5. 5 is the third digit. Then look at the list of squares. 5 is not coming. So let's take the number just below of 5. That is 4. 4 is the square of 2. Here 2. To select the correct number from this set, we want to multiply 2 with the next number, that is 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then compare these two numbers, 5 and 6. 5 is lesser than 6. Then take the smaller number in this set, that is 3, equal to square root of 529 equal to 23. Hope all of you understood this trick. So, let's take 4-digit number as another example. I will take 2960. In this number, 6 is the last digit. And look at the list of last digit. 6 is coming 2 times. That is 4 and 6. So write 4 or 6. Then cut the number near to 6. Then the remaining number is 29. Then look at the list of squares. 29 is not coming. So take the number lesser than 29. That is 25. 25 is the square of 5. So here write 5. To select the correct number from this set, multiply 5 with next number. That is 5 into 6 equal to 30. Then compare these two numbers. 29 is lesser than 30. In this set, take the smaller number if this number is lesser than this number. That is 4 equal to square root of 2960 is 54. Quite easy trick it is. No, isn't it? So, it is very easy trick. So, I hope all of you understood this trick. Thank you.
Thank you, Anlia. Let's enjoy a fun song on mathematics by Meheran Miraj and Diya.
It is said that maths is the language with which God has written the universe. We all know that maths can be a little tough sometimes, but it is up to us how fun we want to make it so that we can learn it in an interesting way. We, the students of Plus One, present to you a different musical way to learn maths. Hope you enjoy it. The area of a circle is pi r squared. When using Pythagoras, always be aware. To square root your answer, I'm sure he'd agree. If you want circumference, just use pi d. Half times base times height is the area of a triangle. Remember, you can only use socket out if there is a right angle. Volume of a pyramid is LHW over 3. They don't tell you that in the exam, so get it in your memory. Plot a frequency polygon in the middle of each clause interval. Don't forget that because it could be critical. Cumulative frequency is the running total of what you see. Cumulative frequency is plotted on the upper class boundary. Half times base times height is the area of a triangle. Remember, you can only use socket out if there is a right angle. Volume of a pyramid is LHW over 3. They don't tell you that in the exam, so get it in your memory. Inverse of sine, cos and tan, respective cosec, secant, cot. Sine 2x equals to sine x cos x. Cos square x minus sine square x gives cos 2x. Tan 2x equals to tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Half times base times height is the area of a triangle. Remember, you can only use socket out if there is a right angle. Volume of a pyramid is LHW over 3. Don't tell you that in the exam, so get it in your memory. Hippocrates, father of trigonometry, study of angles and sides of triangle. Hippocrates, father of trigonometry, study of angles and sides of triangle. Alpha, beta, gamma, phi, psi, xi. Let's sing together so we can learn. First comes right angle triangle. Opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Opposite to reference angle is perpendicular. Adjacent to reference angle is base. Some people have curly brown hair. Turn permanently black. Hippocrates, father of trigonometry, study of angles and sides of triangle. Alpha, beta, gamma, phi, psi, xi. Let's sing together so we can learn.
Wow, That was awesome. I didn't even know Max is this much fun. I hope you got a little information about National Mathematics Day through this program. That's it for today. Signing off, Anvita Vishnath. Thanks for watching.